Boss. Sure.
这个风宾馆休息室，每天举行4次。Yeah.
Bumalik na ba kayo?
Oo.
Pero mga ako, papapicture lang ako isa. Mabilis lang repat ko kaya.
Alright, no problem.
Dahil lang, nanghiram ako ng ganito para sa
Yeah. Wow. Sila. Very beautiful. Ganda oh. Palabas na to, palabas. Palabas na tayo. So oh, beautiful. Uwi na nga. Babalik di ba din yung ano? Yun yung Thank you very much. Ayan na ang exit gate. Doon lang. Mamapa ka nyo. Balik sa normal na buhay. Diyan. Balik sa normal na buhay. Hindi tayo abot. Let's go. Wow.
Holding bike. Pero paga para mata ko.
Ang galing yun, no? Mayroon rin palang ganyan. Alright. Kaliwa kayo. Kanan kami. Bait na kami. Sakit sa ulo rin yaman.
Alin?
Walang pera.
Yan yung soul station. Mother Kate.
All the building was constructed in the 1900s. This one is a really new building.
Soul Station. Soul Station.
You can see the next bridge there. So there are the two decks, the upper and the lower decks, right? That bridge is the place where the rainbow fountain. Oh, it's November, right? November. I think it's finished, closed till October. Sorry about that. So that is the Sebit Sum. So it's in order if you want to enjoy the riverside, the entertains. Maybe when you go there, you are going to see that there are several convenience stores located. So the Koreans love to have chicken and beer in riverside. So we call the Chimek. So that is the best place for having chimek with the friends.
Yeah.